Feeling stressed? These herbs can help. Top 10 natural remedies. Feeling overwhelmed and stressed out? Tired of that endless cycle of anxiety? We've all been there. It's tough to function at your best when you're constantly battling stress. You're exhausted, but you can't seem to sleep. What if you could find natural relief right in your own kitchen? In this video, we're diving into the top 10 herbal remedies that could help calm your mind and melt away stress without relying on medication. Stick around, because we're about to unlock nature's medicine cabinet and discover how these powerful herbs can help you regain control and find your calm. Let's kick things off with a powerful herb that's been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine, ashwagandha. This ancient remedy has stood the test of time, proving its worth over and over again. This incredible root is known for its adaptogenic properties, which means it helps your body adapt to stress and maintain balance. Think of it this way: life throws curveballs, and sometimes those curveballs leave us feeling overwhelmed and out of balance. Whether it's work, family, or just the daily grind, stress can creep up on us. Ashwagandha steps in like a coach, helping your body train and prepare for those stressful moments. It supports your adrenal glands, which are responsible for managing your stress response. It's like having a secret weapon against stress, helping you stay calm, cool, and collected, no matter what life throws your way. Imagine sipping on a warm cup of ashwagandha tea and feeling the tension melt away. Studies have shown that ashwagandha can actually lower cortisol levels, the hormone that spikes when you're stressed. By keeping cortisol in check, ashwagandha promotes a sense of balance and calm throughout your entire body. This means better sleep, improved mood, and even enhanced cognitive function. So, if you're feeling on edge, wired, or just plain stressed out, ashwagandha could be your new best friend. Give it a try and discover the natural way to reclaim your peace and tranquility. Number 2, we have a classic remedy that often gets overlooked: chamomile. You might associate chamomile with a soothing cup of tea before bed, and while that's definitely one of its superpowers, chamomile has so much more to offer when it comes to combating stress and anxiety. This gentle herb is packed with antioxidants and beneficial compounds like apigenin. Apigenin binds to certain receptors in your brain, and this binding action can actually help reduce anxiety symptoms. Studies have shown that it can actually work as a mild sedative. So the next time you're feeling anxious or stressed, don't underestimate the power of a simple cup of chamomile tea. Number 2, about lavender, an herb that practically screams relaxation. Seriously, just the scent of lavender can evoke a sense of calm and tranquility. One of the most popular ways to experience the benefits of lavender is through aromatherapy. Simply inhaling the aroma of lavender essential oil can have a profound effect on your mood. Studies have shown that lavender can actually improve sleep quality, helping you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. So, the next time you're feeling stressed or anxious, reach for lavender. Number 3, valerian root, nature's answer to tranquility. Now let's delve into the world of valerian root, an herb that's been treasured for centuries for its calming and sleep-enhancing properties. Valerian root works its magic by increasing the levels of a neurotransmitter called GABA in your brain. When GABA levels are high, you feel calmer, more relaxed, and less anxious. Many people find that drinking valerian root tea an hour or so before bed helps them unwind and drift off into a deep, restful sleep. A good night's sleep is essential for a healthy mind and body, and valerian root can be a gentle and effective way to achieve that. Number 4, passion flower, taming your what-if worries. Let's explore the calming power of passion flower, a beautiful herb with a knack for soothing anxious minds. Like valerian root, passion flower is rich in GABA, which is essential for a calm and balanced mood. Passion flower seems to have a unique talent for quieting those nagging what-if thoughts that often plague people with anxiety. It's commonly enjoyed as a tea, making it an easy and delicious addition to your daily routine. Passion flower can be a game changer for anyone seeking a natural and effective way to manage anxiety and find a sense of calm amidst the chaos. Number 5, lemon balm, a citrusy boost for your mood. Now, who doesn't love the refreshing scent of lemon? That zesty aroma can instantly lift your spirits and make you feel more awake and alive. But lemon balm is more than just a pretty smell. This herb packs a powerful punch when it comes to boosting your mood and easing anxiety. Its leaves are rich in essential oils that have a calming effect on the nervous system. With its subtle citrus flavor and mild calming effects, lemon balm is like a breath of fresh air for your mind and body. Imagine sipping on a warm cup of lemon balm tea after a long, stressful day. Pure bliss. Used for centuries to alleviate anxiety and insomnia, lemon balm is believed to work its magic by increasing GABA levels in the brain. GABA is a neurotransmitter that helps to reduce neuronal excitability, promoting a sense of calm and relaxation. Try adding a handful of fresh lemon balm leaves to your water bottle for a refreshing pick-me-up. The subtle citrus notes will not only quench your thirst, but also give you a gentle mood lift. Or brew yourself a soothing cup of lemon balm tea when you need a moment of calm. The process of brewing the tea itself can be a meditative experience, allowing you to unwind and focus on the present moment. Whether you're feeling stressed, anxious, or simply need a little mood boost, lemon balm is a versatile and delicious herb that can help you find your happy place. Its gentle yet effective properties make it a wonderful addition to your daily routine, offering a natural way to enhance your well-being and bring a little sunshine into your life. Number 6, rhodiola, your adaptogenic energy booster. Let's talk about rhodiola, a powerful adaptogenic herb that's gaining popularity for its ability to help us thrive in the face of stress. This remarkable plant has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, particularly in Russia and Scandinavia, where it's known for its resilience in harsh climates. Like other adaptogens, rhodiola helps your body adapt to stress, but it also has some unique benefits that make it a true superstar in the world of natural stress management. It's not just about surviving stress. It's about enhancing your overall well-being and performance. Not only does rhodiola work to reduce those pesky cortisol levels, but it also gives you a natural energy boost. This means you can tackle your day with more vigor and less fatigue, making it easier to stay focused and productive. Unlike caffeine, which can leave you feeling jittery and anxious, rhodiola provides sustained energy without the crash. This makes it an excellent choice for those who need a steady, reliable source of energy throughout the day. So, if you're feeling drained, depleted, or simply need a little help staying on top of your game, rhodiola could be just what you need to thrive. Incorporating rhodiola into your daily routine can be as simple as enjoying a cup of rhodiola tea or taking a supplement. Give it a try and experience the difference for yourself. Number 7. Holy basil, the queen of calm and clarity. Get ready to meet holy basil, also known as tulsi, an herb that's been revered in Ayurveda for centuries for its incredible healing properties. Holy basil is more than just a culinary herb. It's a powerful adaptogen that can help bring balance and harmony to your mind, body, and spirit. One of the most remarkable benefits of holy basil is its ability to reduce stress and promote a sense of calm and well-being. It's also known for its ability to clear the mind, improve focus, and enhance mental clarity. Drinking holy basil tea daily is a simple yet effective way to experience its many benefits. Number 8. Green tea. Sip your way to serenity. Let's talk about a beverage that's as delicious as it is beneficial: green tea. This popular drink is packed with antioxidants and health-promoting compounds. But did you know that green tea can also work wonders for stress relief? Green tea's secret weapon is an amino acid called L-theanine. L-theanine has a remarkable ability to promote relaxation without causing drowsiness. So the next time you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed, skip the coffee and reach for a cup of green tea instead. Number 9. Kava Kava, fast-acting relief for anxiety. Finally, let's explore Kava Kava, a powerful herb with a long history of use in Pacific Islander cultures for its relaxing and mood-boosting effects. Kava Kava is unique in that it contains compounds called kavalactones, which have a direct impact on the brain's stress response. These kavalactones work by interacting with GABA receptors, much like valerian and passion flower. Kava Kava is known for its fast-acting effects, making it a popular choice for those seeking immediate relief from anxiety. When used responsibly, Kava Kava can be a valuable tool for managing anxiety and finding peace of mind. We've covered a lot today, so here's a quick recap. For stress relief, try ashwagandha, chamomile, or lemon balm. For anxiety, herbs like passion flower, valerian root, and kava kava could be especially helpful. If you want a mood boost, consider rhodiola or holy basil. And for a simple, calming drink, green tea is always a great choice. Thanks for watching, and here's to a more relaxed, balanced you.